At Oshkosh, we pioneer solutions that empower those who protect, build, and connect the world. Across every industry we serve, Oshkosh is building a future powered by cutting-edge technology and driven by purpose. From state-of-the-art electric vehicles reducing the carbon footprint of entire fleets, to autonomous systems and intelligent connected solutions that elevate precision and efficiency, innovation is far more than a pillar in our strategy. It drives everything we do. Through strategic acquisitions and expansion into new and adjacent markets, we consistently deliver sustained growth and strong shareholder returns. This adaptability and agility are the foundation of our success. Leveraging a robust, diversified portfolio of industry-leading brands, strategic cost efficiencies, and flexible operations, Oshkosh is primed to navigate any market environment while driving steady, long-term performance. But finances are not the only measure of progress. Every machine, every system, and every decision we make reflects our dedication to delivering solutions that drive greater sustainability for generations to come. At Oshkosh, we do more than manufacture vehicles. We are a force for change, resilient, responsible, and relentlessly focused on what's next. For those who want to shape the future with us, let's move the world forward together.